Right, just a short video. I'm just about to head towards, well, not towards, headed to Autobrite down, I think it's Stoke-on-Trent. Just filled the tank, tripped the travel time. I'm just looking to see how long it's going to take me and to get there and back. And I've got the most important ones, my cup of tea and odd wee biscuits. Well, good evening folks, welcome back to another video. As some of you may well know, that I travelled down to Autobrite Stoke-on-Trent on Friday, and I've, obviously you can see I bought some stuff. Obviously with having the 25 litre drums, it's obviously been for the trade. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run through what we've got, and I'll drop the links down below. If you haven't already subscribed, if you can subscribe, like, leave a comment, tell me if you like it or not. And it's only going to help the channel and to progress and get us better. So first of all, we've got the Valet Cherry. It's a non-acid wheel cleaner. I believe it's really strong. Diluted to, I think it was to 100 to 1. Got the screen wash, and we've got the citrus pre-wash all-purpose cleaner. And we've got the red bucket. We've got the pump. We've also got some cherry glaze. 250ml Enrich. And we've also got some air fresheners. So what we've got the, let me see, does it tell you the scents? Well, I'm not too sure what the scents are, but you can actually smell them. But there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different types we've got here. You pop them back in here, they're out. And obviously in the nice big box, we've got the Hustler drying towel, the Hellshine Reaper drying towel, got the multi-pack of 12 orange microfibre towels, Atlasta wheel brush, and we've got 3 of the stickers. We've got the wash, wheels, and the rinse. And the last but least, the 5 litre Renew, which obviously I've been using for, I think, about the last couple of weeks, months maybe. It's actually really good. So we've got the, let me see, when I find it, where have I put it? Actually, let's put it back in here. The pump, for the Renew, because it's that thick, I need a pump for it, it's not able to pour it. Coming up in the future videos, I am going to test both of these drying towels. I'm not going to do it on protected cars, as obviously you've got to know it's got to dry pretty easily. I'm going to actually do it in non-protected cars, where the water just lies there, and actually put these to the test. If you like, once again, sorry, is what I do. With me driving down, driving back, I'm going to do like a wee competition. So it took me about, I've gone by the sat nav, it says around about 4 hours. I was hoping to do it around about 3.5 hours, or just below the 4. It actually took me about 3 hours 45 minutes. Unfortunately, going down there, I was going in the wrong direction due to the sat nav. I've took the wrong junction to get back on the bypass to come back up north. So it's what I want to do. I'm going to do a wee competition to give away the Fuzz and Tim's classic car care kit. All you need to do is subscribe, like and comment, and in the comments down below, if you can round up the time it took me to get down there and back to the closest minute, we've got a chance of winning this, to winning the Fuzz and Tim's car care kit. Is what you're getting in this is you're getting the wash and wax car shampoo, you get a synthetic wash mitt, you get a smear free glass cleaner, all in one polish. It's the Glaze and wax 250ml, 2 microfibre towels and 2 applicators, and you get the tyre trim and tyre gel dressing, all within the box, still sealed as you can see. So once again, if you've not already subscribed, if you can subscribe, comment, like and comment down below how long it's took me in total is to the nearest minute to get down there and back. If there's more than one correct answer, is what we'll do, I'll draw them all out, I'll write them all down, put them in a bowl, and we'll put them in a hat or some sort of bowl, and we'll draw out a lucky name. Obviously it needs to be within the UK for the chance to win this. Yeah, for a chance to win this. If you like this, please subscribe, like and drop your comments below. I will also drop the links down below for each of these, so if you want to have a look or even buy it, you're more than welcome. I'm sure they'll appreciate it as well. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Right there. The last thing I forgot to mention was the competition end date. It's got to be Friday the 22nd. It'll be between, I would say probably 8 o'clock is what I'll do. I'll pop on and drop or announce the winner. Okay, thank you.